What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I just put up a video not long ago with my rolling cart, and I've decided to change it yet again. So this is the Milwaukee rolling cart. So anyway, I changed it up yet again. I was watching a YouTuber, and he got me thinking that I could probably get some better organization and some better storage in here. So what I did, I had this 10 by 10 that was just sitting in the garage. And what I did is I filled it up with some of my less frequently used tools, like some different electrical tools. These wire strippers, these are good for really small gauge wires, but I don't use those a whole lot. I got different vacuum attachments. Also, the impact just sits right there. I got the drill in there as well. So it's just, you know, a little bit tucked in there, a little bit nicer. Not gonna move around as much. And just some other basic tools. I got, you know, a little wrench, got a putty knife there, cutting tool, some backup wire strippers, that kind of stuff. I got batteries in here, stud finder, speed squares, levels, scissors, hammer, all that kind of stuff. So definitely a lot more organized and a lot more tools that I don't have to run out to the car to get, which is what really prompted me to do this. I also got the Milwaukee Impact. It's just gonna stay there, I think. And then my my Klein pouch. This hasn't changed at all. I probably will do an updated video. Got some wire strippers in there, just a little tiny cheap level. I do need to probably swap that out. Got my voltage tester there. Got some dedicated Kleins, a Phillips #2 flathead. Got my impact rated sockets. This thing's pretty cool, pretty new to me, but I liked the idea. That's why I got it. I've been using that. Also got my awl. This thing gets used like at least every week, probably almost every day, to be honest with you. Got this what is this, 27-in-1. This thing's pretty cool. But anyway, I'm gonna do a follow-up video, I think, just kind of showing you everything in great detail. Little plier wrench, that's a cool tool. I'm new to those, like that a lot. So anyway, like I said, I'm gonna do a follow-up video kind of going over some of the stuff in more detail, but I just wanted to show you I have changed that yet again. We're gonna see how that works. If you got comments, put them below. If you like today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.